This is Windows Server 2020 Lab 2, and I am going to do exercises 2.2, 2.3, and 2.4, which is basically creating a folder share, creating a user, a group, and dealing with permissions, NFTS permissions of the groups, users, folders, etc. The first thing you want to do to create a new folder is you'll go into computer, the start menu, you will go to accessories, and then go to Windows Explorer. Under Windows Explorer, expand your computer, and expand the local disk. Click on local disk, hit File, New Folder, call it whatever you want. This one is going to be Accounting 103. And click in it, add a text document to it under File, New, and then, or whatever you want. We're going to add a text document. We're going to call it Budget. We're going to add a little bit of text to it to be able to demonstrate. Hello, how are you? Will be our text. Close it out, save it, and then you will go back, click on the folder you created, which is mine is Accounting 103, and you click Properties, right click on it and click Properties, and you go to Sharing, Advanced Sharing, and now it's asking for your username, which in this case is administrator, so you can have administrative privileges because you have to be an administrator to do this kind of thing. And the password. You're going to click Share this folder. You are then going to click Permissions, and then you can give group or usernames. This is right now is everyone, and I'm going to take it off even read only for everyone. And I'm going to add groups. And I'm going to add domain administrators and domain users. Domain admins first. I'm going to click OK. I'm going to allow domain admins to have full control. I'm going to add another one. So we domain users. I'm going to click OK. And I'm going to allow the domain users read only control. Click Apply. OK. Then OK again. I'm going to close it out. Now I am going to create a new user. While I do that, I go into the Start menu, then I go to Administrative Tools. I go up to Active Directory, Users, and Computers. You will then click Continue. You will right click on the users there. New. I'm going to new user. But I'm going to be user 103. I'll just use your login name be user 103. You can make it whatever you want, however you want to do it. Put as much or as little information as you want. Click Next. Then we're going to create a password for them. And then we're going to create a password for them. And I'm going to set the settings over here. I'm going to unclick user must change password at next login to password never expires. And also do user cannot change password or account is disabled. I'm going to click next and finish. And then I'm going to right click again. I'm going to create a new group. I'm going to create the group name group 103. And I'm going to click OK. Created a new group. I'm now going to show how to add that user we just created to the group we just created. What you do is you'll click on group 103 and go down to user 103. You'll click on it. You'll right click, go to properties, and click member of. You want to add a member. So I'm going to add it to the group 103. I'll then click OK. Add it to the group. And then I'll click OK, and that adds the user to the group. I'm now going to log into another computer. I'm going to I'm going to switch user. I'm now going to log this user in as the new user we just created. Then will be user 103 with the password. I'm going to log in. Now that I am logged in, I'm going to go to the Start menu, I'm going to all Programs, go to Accessories, go to Window Explorer, I'm going to scroll down to Network, whereas I'm going to search the network. Well, I'm now going to show you how to turn on the. You'll go bring up Windows Explorer. You go to the network, and up here it'll say network discovery is turned off. Network computer device not visible. Click to change. You're going to turn on network discovery and file. So I'm going to ask for the username. You want administrative privileges once again for this task. That will then turn on and allow you to see all the other computers on the network. Now you want to. Now I'm on server 02, and I'm going to get a file that is on server 1 and look at it. It'll be under Accounting 103. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to bring it up. This is the file here, as I can see it, I can look at it, I can add text to it, but I cannot save it in the same place there, because I do not have permissions for that. It will deny you. So just exit out of it, hit don't save, and go back to the original computer you're on where you created it. Go to the Start Bring up Windows Explorer again. Go to the computer. Double click on the floppy or the local disk C. Go to Accounting 103. Right click on it, click Properties. Click on the sharing. Click on the security tab. And in the security tabs, you can look at your users and see what they're allowed to do. You also change permissions by clicking Edit at the screen. And now we're going to add Group 103, which is what the group is with. We're going to click OK. And from Group 103, we can look at this NFTS permission, and we can either allow full control, or we can deny all control. We can also go through and allow them only to have certain permissions. Here I'm going to allow them to have all. I'm going to click OK. OK again.